Thank you for choosing Binson's medical equipment and supplies for your sleep therapy needs. This video will explain how to set up your ResMed Airsense 10 and get it ready for use. Your machine will arrive preset to your prescribed pressure. We will also briefly cover how the ResMed Airsense 10 works. Take your device out of its bag. First, connect the power supply to the back of the device. Then, plug it into a wall outlet. Included with your machine is the humid air heated humidifier, so you can enjoy the benefits of humidification during your therapy. Take the water tub, open it, and fill it to the maximum water level mark with distilled water, then close the top. Insert the water tub into the side of the device. Next, connect the air tubing. If your machine came with a slimline tube, simply connect it to the back of the device. If it came with a ClimateLine air heated tube, hold it by the cuff, line it up with the connector port, and push it until it clicks into place. Finally, attach your mask to the other end of the tubing. Your machine is now set up and ready to use. To start your therapy, put your mask on and push the start button on the top of the machine. Let's get to know your device a little better. You will notice your machine has a display screen, a navigation dial, a stop-start button, and a home button. Starting with the display screen, selecting My Options will allow you to view and customize your comfort settings. A summary of your last therapy session can be viewed as soon as you push stop by selecting Sleep Report. Your device was designed specifically with your comfort in mind. Each device has a built-in ambient light sensor that will adjust the brightness of the screen based on the light in your room, while the screen's backlight turns off automatically, allowing you and your partner a restful night. The Airsense 10 is equipped with an auto ramp feature with sleep onset detection, making your therapy more comfortable from the start. It delivers a low pressure to help you fall asleep and gradually increases the pressure to your prescribed level until the moment you fall asleep. If you are using the ClimateLine air heated tube, your device will automatically be set to Climate Control Auto mode, so you can experience comfortable temperature and humidity levels without doing a thing. Thanks again for choosing Binson's. Our respiratory therapists and highly trained staff are always there to assist you with any of your sleep therapy needs.